In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Portsmouth Primary won and decided to send McAuley first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with McAuley. Bible knowledge, who was the father of Ham, Shem and Japheth?
Noah.
Noah is correct. Bible knowledge, Portsmouth, who was the father of Jacob and Esau?
Isaac.
Correct. Local affairs or visual question, McAuley. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Johnson Smith.
Kamina Johnson Smith.
Correct. Local affairs or visual question, Portsmouth. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Damian Crawford.
Correct. Science, McAuley. The body's respiratory system supplies the blood with which gas?
Oxygen.
That's right. Science, Portsmouth. In the human body, name one of the bones in the forearm.
Humerus.
Incorrect. The radius or the ulna. McAuley, television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Never Bell.
Host of Smile Jamaica, that's correct. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Melissa Jefferson.
Incorrect. Delia Harris, Smile Jamaica host. McAuley, English language. Which tense is used in this sentence? The men visited the church on Sunday.
Past tense.
Correct. English language, Portsmouth. Which tense is used in this sentence? The girls are playing on the field.
Present continuous tense.
That's right. Sports, a visual question. McAuley, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Answer parchment.
Incorrect. Asafa Powell, former Jamaican sprinter. Sports, a visual question. Portsmouth, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Johan Blake.
That's correct. Jamaican athlete. Social studies, McAuley. Which Caribbean country's motto is ever conscious of God? We aspire, build and advance as one people.
Guyana.
Incorrect. Grenada. Social studies, Portsmouth. Which Caribbean country's motto is the land, the people, the light?
Haiti.
Incorrect. St. Lucia. McAuley. General knowledge. Rwanda is the capital of which country?
Anguilla.
Incorrect. Angola. Portsmouth. General knowledge. Maputo is the capital of which country?
Montenegro.
Incorrect. Mozambique. McAuley, music. Which Jamaican musician performed with a group called the Dragonaires?
Byron Lee.
That's right. Portsmouth, music. Which Jamaican musician performed with a group called the Wailers?
Bob Marley.
That's right. Mathematics, McAuley. An auditorium has 25 rows of chairs, with each row containing 18 chairs. What is the total number of chairs in the auditorium?
$450.
That's right. Mathematics, Portsmouth. A farmer plants 27 rows of orange trees, with each row containing 12 trees. What is the total number of trees planted by the farmer?
That's 12 times 27.
324.
That's right. Jamaican Affairs, McAuley. In local business circles, what does the abbreviation PSOJ stand for?
Organization of Jamaica. Private Sector Organization of Jamaica.
That's right. Portsmouth, Jamaican Affairs. In local business circles, what does the abbreviation JMEA stand for?
Jamaica Museum.
Incorrect. Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association. That brings us to the end of Section 1. The scores are McAuley Primary on 8 and Portsmouth Primary on 6. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.